Add a touch of uniqueness to your Bertazzoni kitchen by choosing among a wide range of colors and finishes. The treatment of the materials used in our products is inspired by those industrial and craftsmanship qualities for which Italian is famous worldwide. Metals. Crafted by skilled artisans, each piece is handmade and is as unique as a work of art. The enamels. These are inspired by and replicate the look of the wood-burning stoves manufactured during the early years of last century. The texture paints convey a feeling of substance with a sophisticated look. And the automotive paint, a finish exactly like those iconic Italian luxury sports cars that the whole world dreams about. A 5-stage painting process that ends with polishing by hand that delivers a long-lasting, intense color. 4 different collections because every one of us has a unique story to tell in the kitchen.